spiked bacon maple shake. Those words have not been used before ever. Vanilla ice cream. Okay. Which one of you has had bacon in your shake? Right? You're taking your life into a new direction. All right. So we have a vanilla ice cream. We come behind with some wild turkey. It's whiskey. Okay. Bourbon whiskey. We dropping in bourbon. This is not an episode of Epic Mealtime. And then we hit it with some maple syrup. Wow. To be honest with you, I'm really looking forward to tasting this. I don't even eat meat. I'm kind of veganish. Kind of. Okay. Because I'm more pescatarian. I don't know. I'm a hungry. That's what I am. Okay. I eat healthy till I get hungry. We put some whipped cream, some bacon on top. Come behind with some maple syrup. Tell me you don't want to taste this. I know a lot of y'all go, oh my God, that's so nasty. You want to taste it. Don't deny it. You know you do, because I want to. All right? Just let go and live. Taste!